the melodic shapes that we talked about or that I mentioned in the list of tools is, and these are things to kind of maybe keep on your desk or just remember to think about as you're writing melodically. These are things that you can just try and see what works. So the first one is a static or flat melody. So that's singing on, basically one note, maybe within just a couple note range there. You also have a rising or ascending melody where the melody goes up. You have a falling or descending melody. Your melody can arc up and it can arc down. And then you can also have a zigzag melody where it goes kind of up and down as well. So as you think about prosody, and prosody, as we know from other workshops, is the marriage or the relationship of your lyrical content to the structural and musical content of your song. So if you had a song where someone was really bored and, just life was not really going anywhere, what shape would you sort of use melodically to sort of get that point across? And you can put it in the chat or raise your hand as well. Ross says arc down. Catrice says static. Emily, bored or boring. Yep. So you could use, obviously you can use any, but the first thing, if someone's bored and things aren't changing very much, static is probably one that you could use. I think if you were feeling sad or really depressed, you could arc down or you could use the falling. What if you had someone who was going through like a lot of anxiety, or like the song was very anxious, or like just kind of unsettled? What type of melody? Yep. So zigzag. So one of the things that Pat Pattison says, the most important question you can ask is, what emotion am I feeling in this section? And not what you're feeling while you're writing it, but what are you feeling in the song? And that's how you make your melodic, that's how you make your structural decisions and musical decisions based on how are you feeling.